Yeah, so I've never seen one before, and I don't know how big it is, so I would need someone to show me how